or Jesus was with God the Father. Kaya nga sabi niya, I came down from heaven. You are from below, I am from above. The Father has sent me, sabi doon. Kaya sinabi, and the Word was God. So makita natin malinaw doon, and the Word was God. Malinaw. Deity, Diyos. Kaya sinabi sa verse 2, all things were made through Him. And apart from Him, nothing was made. Walang ginawa o nalikha kung wala siya. Sa Colossians 1:16 to 18 na sinabi, all things were created through Him. In heavens and the earth, visible and invisible, all authorities, dominions, all things were created through Him and for Him. Sa Colossians 1:17 says, He is before all things, and all things hold together through Him. Makita natin na si Kristo ang may